So today I want to do Kush in the box. Just quick little freestyle, just go. So I got the jizzy, the joint in my hizzy. No, I'm scared. Wait, look, this is what I mean by Kush in the box, in the sound box. This is freestyles from the Kush box. Yeah, I say, magazine, empty clips. I've never been a jealous kid. I opened up and told you shit. Now the past motion clips, after bread, poker chips, love, lost, hope in it, heart, bitter, toasted, lit the beer, made him hearing shit. Now the kid, a lyricist, not really fearing shit. Made a hit, can he hit? Yes, he did. Cut the save a bitch, kitchen wrist, prawn, kite. This I was made to spit. I'll finish that later, but that's a real song, so yeah. Yes, baby. You gonna help her yell? Yes, no.
Nothing. It was rude as fuck. That's why I came out here. I don't want to be around you right now. I'm fucking calling. Or anything. You can let me know. I'm straight, bro.
Alright, I'm done.
No, but I need that. You should lose me. I swear to fucking God.
I love you.
And when you want to see their full potential, you gotta give them time, and then you'll know if they really got like something to show you. This is a special one for me because right here, this is
money.
I don't want you to leave me, babe. So my show conflicts with my life. Y'all better love this. Love.